Bulk corn is transported to the processing facility in sealed, standardized grain trucks.
The incoming corn passes over heavy-duty vibrates that separate oversized contaminants.
High-strength magnetic separators remove ferrous metal contaminants, including nails, bolts, and wire fragments.
Corn kernels move through rotary drum cleaners fitted with precision perforated screens.
After sorting, corn is weighed using inline electronic scales. Each batch is assigned a digital identity. Clean corn is transported through fully enclosed belt or chain conveyors designed to prevent dust emission and cross-contamination. Climate-controlled steel corn silos store corn in large-capacity, food-grade steel silos with automated aeration and ventilation systems. Multiple electronic moisture sensing probes are installed at different depths and zones within each corn storage silo. High-capacity aeration fans integrated into the silo structure are automatically regulated by the plant control software. An enclosed, gas-sealed fumigation system is integrated into the silo network to control insects and pests. The automated blending system ensures uniform kernel quality, with digitally controlled ratios for specific processing needs. Tempered corn enters high-speed degermination machines that mechanically separate the germ from the endosperm and bran.
Primary impact milling, kernel cracking. Degermed corn kernels are processed through impact mills that crack the kernels into coarse particles.
Endosperm fractions are passed through a series of precision roller mills. These mills gradually reduce particle size through multiple grinding stages.
Milled corn material is classified using multi-deck vibratory sifters equipped with progressively finer screens.
Cornmeal and grits fraction collection. Standard cornmeal and grits fractions are directed into dedicated, enclosed collection bins.
Fully cooked corn mass is discharged through extrusion outlets, forming soft pellets or sheets.
Cooling conveyors for moisture stabilization. Extruded corn material is transferred onto perforated, forced popcorn-grade corn kernels are automatically diverted to a dedicated pop processing line.
Advanced vision inspection systems inspect each kernel. Defective kernels are removed using high-speed pneumatic rejection systems.
Transcription. Inspected kernels are metered into high-capacity industrial popping chambers. Transcription. Inspected kernels are metered into high-capacity industrial popping chambers.
Popcorn kernels pass through precision size grading machines that classify kernels based on diameter and weight. Hot air or oil-free popping technology. Popping is performed using high-temperature hot air or oil-free popping systems. As kernels pop, rapid expansion capture hoods contain and guide the popped corn while exhausting steam and heat.
Fully enclosed automated seasoning tumblers. Popped corn enters enclosed, rotating seasoning tumblers where salt, flavorings, or coatings are
Popped corn passes over vibratory conveyors that separate unpopped or partially popped kernels.
Cooling tunnels use forced air to rapidly reduce the popcorn's temperature, stabilizing its texture. This prevents condensation and preserves crispness.
All finished popcorn products pass through high-sensitivity inline metal detectors. Identify ferrous,
Finished popcorn is conveyed into high-speed automated form-fill-seal machines. These systems form popcorn bags. Before sealing, popcorn packages are flushed with food-grade nitrogen gas to remove oxygen. This preserves crisp.
fuel. Robotic sealing units apply heat or ultrasonic seals to close popcorn packages securely.
X-ray inspection units provide non-invasive, high-resolution screening of packaged and unpackaged products. Automated batch identification and barcode traceability. Each production batch is automatically assigned a unique barcode or QR code. Each sealed popcorn package passes through dynamic check weighers that verify net weight accuracy.
Finished, stretch-wrapped popcorn pallets are transferred via automated pallet conveyor systems.
Popcorn pallets are stored in high-bay automated warehouses equipped with robotic stacker cranes.
RFID-based inventory tracking. Each popcorn pallet is tagged with an RFID identifier linked to
Finished popcorn is stored in climate-controlled environments where temperature and humidity are continuously regulated. This prevents moisture absorption,